Welcome back to Golf Course Maintenance. I know it's been a long time since you've probably seen Ruby and I, so we want to just give you an update on what's been going on here in Golf Course Maintenance. Cart traffic has picked up since October. We're getting a little bit of a break now as I'm recording this, as many are up north during the holidays. But I mean, take a look at this, I guess you could call it a spaghetti map, showing all the cart traffic in just one day. I think we forget sometimes like how much damage cart traffic can do. So you can help us out by maybe avoiding some of these weaker areas that you see. If you can stay on the cart path, by all means stay on the cart path. But anything we can do to try to alleviate some of that stress. One area I want to talk about is some spots here and there on the fairways of the Talon. We know we've got some high nematode counts in some of these areas, some mite issues. In some of these areas, we weren't really healthy going into the cooler weather. Particularly like number 6 fairway and 15 fairway of the Talon. It's kind of scratched my head a bit on what's actually going on there. I did a little research and pulled up some Google Earth, and I noticed that these areas have been a challenge for many years. Not just the past couple years, but I mean, even before the 2021 construction of the Talon, you had dates all the way back in the early 2000s where these issues were concerned. So there's something going on in that soil. And I think it's very important that this coming summer, 2025, that we really address these areas and hit them culturally. I think we'll do some extra aerification in these areas. Speaking of relieving some stress, on the greens is the time of year that we swapped our roller configurations on our mowers. Now, when I got here, I realized we did not have a solid roller configuration on our mowers. We had to make a pretty big purchase to get these solid rollers on our mowers. The solid rollers aren't as aggressive as what's called a Wiley roller. A Wiley roller, my opinion, is good in the summertime, but wintertime when the grass isn't growing, those Wileys can add a little bit more stress to your turf. I'm just not a fan of doing that year round. Maybe it's just my personal preference, but I think this time of year, you really gotta be careful and not stress the grass, particularly the greens, as much as you can. So by adding these solid rollers, we're gonna help protect the greens as much as possible. The biggest concern that we're having, and it's been an issue since I got here, and I was well aware of it, was the status of the irrigation system of the Eagle course. As far as the piping goes, that's okay. Knock on wood, we haven't had any kind of major breaks. Since Brian started, he has been relentless going box to box and finding some of these component issues that are failing on us. We're talking about these highly sensitive electronic boards. If one of them is not working correctly, then the system itself is not working. We're having challenges with communicating to those boxes. A lot of that's been resolved, but now it's the fact of, are these boxes actually sending a signal out to run this irrigation? I can't stress enough how important it is to have proper irrigation. Not just for the sake of having enough moisture in areas, but also when we apply certain applications, if we try to fertilize, we need that water to irrigate as accurately as possible. And when we have a bunch of heads that are currently not working or valves that we cannot find, it makes it a real challenge to do our job properly. The team's doing a really good job again of cycling through these areas. Budget that was sent to us for irrigation, repair, and maintenance for the entire year, we have already blown that in the first 2 months of the budget. But the good news is we are making strides. All this takes a little bit of time. And I think year after year, we're gonna get better. As far as the rest of the golf course goes, I think we've done a pretty good job with our weed management. Everything's pretty much been sprayed out. Our pre-emergents are down on both golf courses. So we're just at a maintenance level as far as that goes. Are there still some weeds out there? Certainly. But now we're in the cooler season, we're not mowing as often. The team's able to get a grasp on some of the herbicide applications and spot treat this so we don't let it get out of hand again. Anyhow, that's our update. Ruby's hiding right now. Ruby, there she is. Y'all take care now. Bye.